guys, it's me, Liz, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I just danced like this. I'm so weird. I'm in a weird mood today. But today I'm doing a Jackie from that 70s show inspired makeup tutorial. No, I don't think we look alike. No, I'm not trying to look like like a whore. Yeah, like a whore. No, I'm not trying to look like her. So yeah, if you guys just want to see a 70s inspired makeup look, then definitely just keep watching. Alright, first things first, we need to hydrate because Jackie's skin is youthful and not dry and crusty, so we're just gonna really put a ton of moisturizer on. Oh my god, does anyone else's skin do this? When I'm super pale, my skin just freaks out whenever I touch it. Like, all the redness here, ew. I need to go tanning or something, but we'll live with it, we'll be okay. Next on to foundation. I'm pretty sure this is breaking me out, but I still really like the look it gives my skin. It honestly looks so good on your skin, but we'll take a couple pimples. Plus, you're probably gonna see it's a little dark, but you'll see it really blends into your skin. It's really weird. And yes, I have been working really hard to look into the actual camera lens, but there is a mirror right here that I need to look in, or else my makeup's gonna look like absolute shit. So unless you want my makeup to look good, then don't mind me looking into the viewfinder. I'm not trying to be rude, people. Now my favorite part, concealer, so I can conceal away all of my sins. So I'm first gonna apply it, you know, I'm just gonna apply it everywhere, to be honest. I mean, Kelso didn't date Jackie for her under eye bag, so we need to stay looking fresh and flawless. Now taking my favorite setting powder in the world, yes it's bougie, yes it's bougie, yes it's Chanel, but do you need it? No, you don't need it, but it does work really good. Now I'm going to contour my face with the only bronzer I use ever, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Sculpting Glow. Nope, Bronzing Glow. Do I know anything? Do I know the name of anything I own? I swear every single video I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm just gonna dig into the bronze shade and try and contour my face. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring to my nose just to snatch it. Now that my nose is contoured, can I just say, like, my face looks a million times better. Thank the Lord for makeup. Can we just take a second? It makes the world of a difference. Now I'm gonna go get Now I'm taking this Pretty Vulgar Peachy Pinky blush because Jackie always has this like peachy glow to her. And I'm just gonna apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Whoa, sis, I did not know this was that pigmented. Okay, you know, we're gonna go for the heavy blush look today. Okay, it's not that bad once I blended it out. At least I don't think. Now I'm just gonna go right onto eyes. So her eyes aren't that crazy or anything. She just has like a very neutral brown in her crease and then a short wing kind of like going upwards to elevate her eyes. And then she has like a shadow going underneath her eyes a little bit. She has like that very doll eye, like, I don't know, like sad kind of puppy look. Does anyone else think that? I don't know, but that's what I'm kind of going for today, so let's do that right now. Now I'm gonna do that thing underneath my eye. I'm really nervous for this because this could either go one of two ways. It could look like absolute shit, like I'm a drug addict, or it could look amazing, like hers. Oh no, this under eye palette. Wait. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna be patient and see what happens at the end, okay? Hopefully we didn't mess this whole thing up. Like I said, we're not trying to be her twin, okay? We're trying to be her deranged Aunt Sue or something. I don't know. So I kind of winged it in the inner corner a little bit. Now I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on, I think, on the lower lash line. Just a really black, simple eyeliner. So I'm not sure why I didn't just show you that, but I literally just put black eyeliner on and then I made it a little bit deeper in the outer corners. And now I'm just gonna do my top liner and I'm just going to do my wing pointing as up as I can get it to. I don't think I'm gonna do this on camera either because I'm a mess, so I'll be right back. Alright, now that I have my wing all done, what I used was the Maybelline Line Stiletto. This is my favorite. I literally use this all the time. And now I'm just going to go on to my mascara using my Too Faced Better Than Sex. I literally use this in every video, and my eyelash curler because my eyelashes would not look as good without an eyelash curler. So let's just apply some mascara. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my eyebrow gel. I was gonna say eyelash gel. Now I'm gonna take my eyebrow gel and I'm just gonna stand my eyebrows up because I really don't see her do much with her eyebrows. Like, I just like to keep mine natural anyway. I don't like how they look really filled in. Now for my lips, I'm gonna take my MAC Spice lip liner and I'm just gonna line my lips. And then I just smudged them out because when is Jackie not making out with Kelso? Let's be real. I'm just taking a lipstick that looks like this. So this is like really intense, so I'm just gonna pat it out. And then on top, I'm just gonna apply this Buxom lip gloss in the shade Sand. Alright guys, this is the finished 70s makeup look, kind of inspired by Jackie from that 70s show. I really hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look. I really enjoyed making it and I really like this makeup look. I think this might be my new like go-to everyday makeup look because it's so pretty. I even just like the wings, like it's very focused on like the outer corner of the eyes and I really like that. So, and I even did my hair, if you guys like noticed. I don't know if you guys took notice to it, but I tried to do something 70s inspired with my hair too. That like hair thing that they always do. They normally do the clips, but I didn't have clips, so I tried. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and definitely check out one of my other videos. I do a lot of recreations, I do a lot of clothing hauls, lots of fun things. So yeah, I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Made this here with all the ice on in the booth at the gate outside.